Earth Day?
Earth Day is an international event when people all over the world think about how we can protect our planet. Earth Day takes place on 22nd April every year.
How did Earth Day start?
In 1970s, U.S. pollution, Gaylord Nelson decided that there should be a special day. It is called Earth Day.
Why do we need Earth Day?
Earth Day is very important because we all share the same planet. Sometimes we forget that we are responsible for our planet and that we should protect it for ourselves and for other people.
What do people do on Earth Day?
People march on the streets. Sometimes they wear funny costumes. Those costumes are endangered species costumes. Like the artist made a painting who used plastic spoons, buttons, old toys to make the amazing painting of the Mona Lisa.
How can we make every day Earth Day?
Earth Day is an important day and we should celebrate and take care of our planet. We can make every day Earth Day by a simple stuff. Don't use cars to get around. Use your leg to get around. Or use bicycle to get around. Or shops, markets, or anywhere.
Now Leah is going to tell us about Earth Day.
Earth Day is an important day because we all share the same planet. Earth Day takes up place. And 22 April every year in 1917, as population, a great broad nation decided that there should be a special day that's called Earth Day. Earth Day is a special day for everyone to think about the problems our planet faces. Did you know that the artisan John Pix used old buttons, toys, plastic spoons, and other small pieces of rubbish of make this amazing copy of Mona Lisa?
The Earth